I get a cheer standing in the kitchen, a bowl of popcorn tipped over, crumbs spilling onto the carpet, and you're wondering if you should waste time hunting down a full-size vacuum or just grab the cheap broom in the closet. That split-second decision is the same one I faced last week when my niece's birthday cake exploded onto the living room rug. I didn't want to haul out the big vacuum, make a mess of the cord, and then spend 10 minutes cleaning a mess that would have been gone in seconds. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. That's why I pulled the Fuller Brush 17027 electrostatic carpet and floor sweeper out of the box and gave it a spin. The whole idea behind this little tool is that it's supposed to act like a magnet for dust, hair, and debris, pulling it into a tiny canister with a single push. It's marketed as small but mighty, and the claim that it can clean up any mess in a jiffy is what made me curious enough to actually test it in a few real-world scenarios before I tell you whether it's worth your money. First off, the size. The sweeper's handle is about the length of a standard broom, and the cleaning head covers a 9-inch path. That's a modest width, which means you'll need a few more strokes than a traditional vacuum on large carpeted rooms, but it also makes the unit incredibly maneuverable around furniture legs and under low coffee tables. I tried it on a low-pile carpet in the hallway and on hardwood in the kitchen. On the hardwood, the electrostatic pads grabbed fine dust and dry cereal crumbs with almost no resistance. The carpet was a different story. The pads lifted loose hair and larger bits of popcorn, but some of the deeper, heavier crumbs got caught in the fibers and required a second pass. That's not a deal breaker. It just means you have to set realistic expectations about how quick the clean can be on plush surfaces. The real selling point is the magnetic pull. The sweeper uses an electrostatic charge built into the brush roll that attracts particles as you push. In practice, this works best with dry debris, think pet hair, flour, or dry sand you might bring in from the beach. I tested it on my dog's shed hair after a walk, and the brush gathered a noticeable amount in just a few passes. The collected hair didn't stick to the brush itself. It was drawn into the internal canister, which you empty by pressing a button on the side. That press, empty, done cycle is genuinely convenient. No need to detach a bag or wrestle with a lint trap. The canister is small, about the size of a soda can, so you'll have to empty it fairly often if you're tackling a mess that's more than a few hundred square inches. If you're cleaning a whole living room in one go, expect to hit the empty button at least a couple of times. Now, let's talk about power, or the lack of it. Because there's no motor, you're relying entirely on your own push force to move the brush roll and generate the electrostatic pull. For most floor surfaces, a normal walking pace does the trick. However, if you have high-piled carpet or a rug that really traps dirt deep in its fibers, you'll feel that you're doing the heavy lifting yourself. Some users of similar sweepers have reported that the brush can stall on very thick carpet, and I noticed a slight wobble when I tried to sweep over a shag rug in my friend's apartment. So if you have a home full of deep pile rugs, you might find this tool a bit underpowered for the job. Another practical point is storage. The sweeper is lightweight, just under 2 pounds, so you can tuck it behind a door or slide it under a couch without much hassle. The handle folds slightly, which helps if you're short on closet space. For renters or folks who move often, the compact form factor is a genuine advantage. On the flip side, that compactness also means the canister can't hold a huge amount of debris. If you're looking for a tool that can replace a traditional vacuum for weekly whole house cleaning, you'll end up emptying the canister more often than you'd like. Who should buy this? If you're a student living in a dorm, a renter in a one-bedroom apartment, or anyone who wants a quick solution for everyday messes, spilled cereal, pet hair, dust on a hardwood floor, this sweeper fits the bill. It's also a solid backup for people who already own a full-size vacuum but want something that won't require plugging in or pulling out a heavy machine for the occasional crumb. The price point is modest, and the risk-free guarantee from Fuller Brush adds a layer of comfort if you're on the fence. Who should skip it? If you have a large house with multiple carpeted rooms, or if you regularly deal with heavy, wet messes like juice,